Hello, my name is Claire, and today we'll be covering Bloom syndrome. What is Bloom syndrome? Bloom syndrome is a autosomal recessive disorder which causes people to have rashes from sun exposure, and they are born with smaller bodies, and this can be very devastating, and it oftentimes has a shortened life expectancy of to around 30 years old, and is very devastating, and from birth, so it can really affect the way people live their lives and families in general. The symptoms and ways to see a person has Bloom syndrome is, as seen in the pictures, is they are born with these very dark red rashes, and they're often shown very powerfully through sun exposure. And this is damaged skins, and this is why cancer is so common in individuals. There is 100 to 300 times more likelihood of a person having cancer when they have Bloom syndrome, and that is why it's the often cause of death for this individuals that are affected. Inheritance patterns, this is again an autosomal recessive disorder, meaning that one recessive allele must be given from each parent in order for it to be present in an individual. This means that a person can easily be a carrier of this disorder and making it easier to spread. While it is a rare disease or disorder, it can be spread, but it would need two recessive alleles. And it takes place by the mutation of the BLM gene, and these genes code for proteins that repair damaged and mutated DNA, and when these proteins are not made correctly, it can create the mutated DNA and not keep it in check, leading to the cancer and the Bloom syndrome. Treatments, there is no cure, but there are ways to improve a person's life and life expectancy through management and steps to take. The main step is to managing cancer and risks for cancer by minimizing sun exposure and ensuring that they are properly treated and have often cancer screenings to ensure that they can catch cancer quickly in stages 1 and not let it get to the stages 4 without it being regulated. And the best way to treat is with, once again, management, but ensuring that a person can breathe and eat correctly so they can stay at the strongest as they can so they can fight these immune or illnesses with a compromised immune system and such. Support is very important with Bloom syndrome because there's a shortened life expectancy that can come with traumas and emotions. So seeing therapists and talking to your doctors is very important in order for not only the patient to be comfortable and understand and being able to control their emotions, but also the families knowing that there is a shortened life expectancy. And Bloom syndrome is not common and is very rare, and there is not much research going into it, and I believe that needs to change because it is killing people and it is going unchecked and affecting many people's lives, not only the people that are diagnosed with it. Thank you. That is Bloom syndrome, and there's more exciting. Thank you.